Chavez of the MCA Homes. Now, ipapakita ko naman sa inyo ang amenity area or amenities na meron kayo here at Allegra Garden Place. So guys, recap pasyalan natin. This will be your view at the night time here at Allegra Garden Place. So guys, we have this kiddie pool, and then we have this lap pool and adult pool. And in this area, we have the play area. Okay. So guys, aside sa hotel-like lobby, we have amenities available here. This is a resort-inspired amenities of the MCA Homes. So, guys, what are you waiting for? If you want to inquire about the MCA Homes Allegra Garden Place or other project of the MCA Homes, all project of the MCA Homes is we have this resort-inspired amenities. So, if you want to inquire, my name is Regina Chavez, and you can call me at 0906-481-8188. Bye-bye!